right, so we're in the shop, sitting behind me on the lift, the new 2025 Raptor R. These things come with the 5.2 liter supercharged engines with a Eaton 2650 from the factory. As y'all can see here, guys, we are ripping the 2650 off and going straight with a 3.8 liter Whipple supercharger. Big difference from a 2650 to a 3.8. Look at the throttle body size. We're going to go with 132 millimeter throttle body. Boost levels will go up slightly. As far as intercooler goes, factory heat exchanger and everything's on the vehicle. We do upgrade an intercooler pump. It looks like Marcos has already done. And comes with injectors. We got fuel rails, stuff like that. Jason, don't trip and fall. So upgrade fuel system, guys. This is a very cool build. And I think we have a couple of these in line behind it. So we'll get out of Marco's way, let him finish this up, and get on the dyno hopefully in a couple days. Wait, baseline 560 something rear wheel horsepower. Hopefully we'll see over 700. We'll see. All right, so how impressive is this 2025 Raptor R? Guys, y'all saw the baseline results, 576 rear wheel horsepower. With this package, we stopped at 816 rear wheel horsepower on 93 octane. Gas that you can go to any gas station in the country, fill up and make that kind of horsepower. Extreme gains. Most superchargers that we, let's say, add to vehicles or upgrade to vehicles, usually 100 to 150 rear wheel horsepower gains, 240 rear wheel horsepower from this package. Absolutely incredible. Let's pop the hood and let me show you guys the finished and final details.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late Model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, so you Raptor R owners out there, or potential Raptor R owners out there, in my opinion, guys, this is the perfect starting package for you. As y'all saw inside the shop when I had the parts laid out, 3.8 liter supercharger, the big 132 millimeter throttle body, still has the factory airbox. We have aftermarket fuel rails, aftermarket injectors to be able to supply enough fuel to make this kind of horsepower reliably and safely. And guys, this is essentially, for those of you that are online shopping and see stuff, essentially the same as the Hennessy Velociraptor 1000 that they call it. The only main difference is, guys, they use, I call it the load and go tune, where we custom tune every vehicle in-house per the specs of the build. So this one, again, 816 rear wheel horsepower on pump gas. Guys, know that this is just a starting point for us, where they kind of end there. We start here, and still the sky is the limit. We will take this vehicle and go even further for those of you that want even more horsepower than this. And believe it or not, we have another one in the shop right now getting just that. So make sure you stay tuned to our channel to see another Raptor R getting built with more mods done to it. So guys, 1,000 horsepower performance package, wheels and tires. These are Vossens on 37-inch tall tires. Again, just like our competitor does. The only difference that this one does not have, which theirs does have, is a front and rear bumper, which we do offer on all of our TRXs and these Ford Raptors. This customer in particular just wanted to keep the factory bumpers the way it sits right now. And to be honest, I think it does look great with these wheels and tires on it. And now, even with the stock mufflers on it, we're gonna go for a test drive. It has a little dual mode from the factory to keep it a little quieter or louder. This thing still has factory manifolds, factory cats, again, on pump gas. I'm gonna show you what these 37s can do in two-wheel drive, how we can probably just burn rubber all the way down the street. Then we'll put it in all-wheel drive and show how quickly this thing launches stoplight to stoplight. Again, you Raptor R owners out there that are thinking about modding your vehicle, go to our website, fill out an inquiry. This package right here, beautiful package, runs great, very reliable. Again, guys, plus we can also do a little bit more that most guys don't to give you the edge over the competition. So let's hop in it now and go for a test drive. All right, guys, this thing with the stock manifolds on it, stock cat, stock exhaust, still very quiet. Really just hear that supercharger whine. I'm gonna put it in sport mode, so it'll be four-wheel drive, for auto, which will leave traction control on. I want to launch this thing so you guys can see how quickly these things are from stoplight to stoplight, or 0 to 60. They're incredible. That is so sick. Very smooth. So that, again, four-wheel auto, just for the hell of it. I'll show you guys. If you put it in just normal driving, it puts it back in two-wheel. And then if I turn traction control off, even with these big 37s on it, if you want to, stoplight to stoplight, you can just roast the tires, or even from a low roll. The amount of horsepower and torque this thing makes with this package is so awesome. And again, it drives just like it did from the factory. So super reliable. Just put gas in it and go and have fun. This thing and show you guys how bad it spins into, like if I stay in it, it'll just keep doing a burnout, to be honest. So I'll just stay in it just for a little bit, let it go shift once or twice, then I'll let out of it. Two-wheel drive, about 2,000 RPMs. I mean, insane to just smoke those 37-inch tall tires like that. And again, I can go from a low roll and hit it in first gear, and it will just haze these things all through first gear and into second gear. So much fun to drive. So you Ford Raptor owners out there, or really you Ford owners out there, I know I build a lot of GM vehicles, but guys, this platform and the Ford platform in general, the money you spend, I call it dollar per horsepower, you get a lot for your value when you modify your Ford. So again, whether it's a Mustang, a regular F-150, or the Raptor R, again guys, go to our website, fill out an inquiry. We have packages for all the above, from just simple bolt-ons to superchargers. Again, the sky's the limit now that we can tune these things in-house without having to rely on just a load and go tune, I call it. So we can custom build these things to exactly what you want, depending on what you yourself are doing with the vehicle. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Again, we have I feel like it's been truck month. We've been building a lot of trucks this month. So if you are a truck guy, hit that subscribe button, follow our channel. In the next month, you're gonna see a lot of Fords, Ford trucks. We got a few Raptor Rs. We have a few F-150s getting superchargers and turbos. We even have a Toyota Tundra getting a 2650, and of course tons of Escalade Vs and regular Escalades getting supercharged and more boost. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Mr. Martin, I appreciate your business. I think we've built him quite a few vehicles now, so this is another one to add to his stable. I know he's going to enjoy. I think he has another GM, either a new Suburban or a new Escalade, I forget what it is, coming in next. So stay tuned, guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give it a like if you liked it so far. And please turn on bell notifications for future content, as we have cool stuff in the pipeline that you're going to want to see. And as always, please comment below.